Welcome back to our channel, where we're diving deep into the art of human interaction and communication. If you've ever wondered how some individuals effortlessly captivate and influence others, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're unraveling the secrets behind 7 surprising steps that can help you master the art of influencing people. These steps go beyond the usual advice you've heard, so get ready to take notes and revolutionize your approach to interpersonal dynamics. Without further ado, let's jump right into the first step. 1. The power of active listening. Imagine a scenario where you're engaged in a conversation but your mind is elsewhere. Perhaps you're thinking about your to-do list or checking your phone. Unfortunately, this is a common occurrence in today's fast-paced world. However, there's a powerful technique that can set you apart. Active listening. Active listening is more than just hearing the words someone is saying. It's about being fully present in the moment and giving your complete attention to the speaker. Put away distractions, maintain eye contact, and nod or provide verbal cues to show you're engaged. As the other person speaks, resist the urge to formulate your response. Instead, focus on understanding their perspective, feelings, and underlying emotions. By actively listening, you communicate that you genuinely value their thoughts and feelings. This creates a sense of connection and respect, laying the foundation for influencing them. Remember, people are more likely to be swayed by someone who takes the time to understand and acknowledge their viewpoint. 2. Authentic empathy. Empathy is often confused with sympathy, but the two are distinct. While sympathy involves feeling sorry for someone, empathy involves truly understanding and sharing in their feelings. When you practice authentic empathy, you're demonstrating a deep level of emotional intelligence that resonates with others. To be empathetic, actively put yourself in the other person's shoes. Try to understand their experiences, challenges, and emotions from their perspective. Respond with genuine understanding and care, showing that you're invested in their well-being. Authentic empathy builds trust and rapport, making people more open to your influence. However, remember that empathy should never be used as a manipulation tactic. It should come from a place of sincerity and genuine concern. 3. The curious power of curiosity. Imagine a scenario where you're at a social gathering, engaged in conversation with someone who exudes genuine curiosity. They ask questions that go beyond the usual small talk, delving into your interests, experiences, and passions. How does that make you feel? Chances are you find their interest captivating and their approach refreshing. That's the remarkable influence of curiosity. Curiosity is a potent force that can transform ordinary conversations into meaningful exchanges. It's like a magnet that draws people in, capturing their attention and keeping them engaged. Instead of settling for surface-level interactions, embrace the power of curiosity to create connections that resonate. At its core, curiosity involves a deep desire to learn and understand. When you're genuinely curious about someone, you're not just going through the motions of conversation, you're actively seeking to uncover their unique story. So, how can you harness the curious power of curiosity to enhance your influence? Dive deeper. Rather than sticking to mundane questions, take a plunge into the depths of their experiences. Instead of asking, "What do you do for a living?" explore their journey by asking, "What inspired you to pursue your career?" By going deeper, you show that you're not just interested in the superficial details, but in the essence of their choices and aspirations. Seek the unspoken. Curiosity isn't limited to facts and figures. It extends to emotions and motivations. When you inquire about someone's feelings and passions, you tap into their emotional landscape. Ask questions like, "What's the most fulfilling aspect of your hobby?" Or, "What drives you to work on this project?" By uncovering their underlying motivations, you demonstrate that you care about their inner world, fostering a sense of trust and connection. The art of active listening. Active listening is the secret sauce that enhances curiosity's impact. As they share their experiences and insights, listen intently. Show that you're present by maintaining eye contact, nodding in agreement, and offering encouraging cues like, "Tell me more." This not only demonstrates your curiosity, but also encourages them to open up further, creating a valuable exchange. When you approach conversations with curiosity, you're not just satisfying your own quest for knowledge. You're creating a two-way exchange that's rewarding for both parties. As you dig deeper and seek to understand, the other person feels valued and respected. They sense that you're genuinely interested in their perspectives, which fosters a positive rapport. Moreover, curiosity nurtures a safe space for open dialogue. When you're curious, you're non-judgmental and open-minded, allowing them to share without fear of criticism. This environment encourages authenticity, enabling them to express their thoughts and experiences freely, building positive associations. Now here's where the magic happens. As you engage in conversations fueled by curiosity, you're not just imparting information, you're creating positive associations. When people talk about their passions and experiences, they experience a surge of positive emotions. These emotions become intertwined with the interaction itself, and by extension, with you. This positive association becomes a bridge to influence. When they think back on the conversation, they remember the engaging exchange, the sense of validation, and the feelings of connection. This predisposes them to respond positively to your ideas because they associate those ideas with the positive experience they had while talking with you. Influence that lasts. The beauty of curiosity-driven influence is that it lingers. People remember the conversations that left them feeling understood and valued. As a result, they are more likely to seek your input, consider your suggestions, and be receptive to your ideas in the future. Your influence doesn't stem from manipulation or persuasion. It arises from authentic connection and mutual respect. 4. The art of reciprocity. Reciprocity is a psychological principle that's deeply ingrained in human behavior. When someone does something kind for us, we naturally feel inclined to reciprocate. This principle can be harnessed to enhance your influence in a genuine way. Start by offering value to others without expecting anything in return. This could be as simple as sharing useful information, providing assistance, or even giving a compliment. By contributing positively to their lives, you're planting a seed of goodwill. Over time, this can lead to them being more receptive to your suggestions and ideas, creating a mutually beneficial dynamic. 5. Mastering nonverbal communication. Did you know that only a small portion of communication is conveyed through words? The rest comes from nonverbal cues, such as body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. To truly master the art of influence, you must align your nonverbal communication with your spoken words. Confident body language, such as standing or sitting up straight, maintaining open gestures, and avoiding crossed arms, conveys self-assuredness and openness. A warm smile and maintaining eye contact communicate approachability and sincerity. Additionally, the tone of your voice can influence how your words are perceived. A steady, confident tone can enhance the impact of your message. When your nonverbal cues are in harmony with your message, your influence becomes more potent and convincing. 6. Storytelling that resonates. Storytelling is a timeless method of transmitting ideas and values. When you incorporate storytelling into your interactions, you tap into the power of emotion and relatability. Craft your message into a narrative that resonates with your audience's experiences and emotions. Whether it's a personal anecdote or a carefully chosen allegory, ensure that your story has a clear message or lesson that aligns with your desired influence. As you share your story, people will connect with the emotions conveyed and relate them to their own lives. This connection creates a memorable experience that strengthens your influence as your message becomes intertwined with their own experiences. 7. Building consensus through social proof. Have you ever hesitated to try something new until you saw others benefiting from it? This behavior is rooted in the concept of social proof, where individuals look to others for cues on how to behave. To leverage this principle for influence, highlight examples of how others have successfully embraced your ideas. Share success stories, testimonials, or statistics that showcase the positive outcomes of following your advice. When people see that others have found value in your ideas, they're more likely to view them as credible and beneficial. Social proof taps into the human desire to belong and make choices that align with the majority. By showcasing the consensus around your ideas, you enhance their persuasive impact.